Good afternoon, everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Like every day, today as well, I am here to give you something new. As I have noted down at the board, that is passive voice, that is past continuous. Yesterday, we discussed about the passive of past indefinite. Today, I'll be teaching you passive voice of past continuous. At the very starting, here comes passive helping verb, that is was verb plus being. Was for singular, verb for plural. Right? Now let us move ahead. I'll be making you understand by having some examples. So, first example here comes. He was writing. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. So, my dear students, this is an active sentence. Now let's make into passive. So, at first we require object. Our object is a letter. A letter. A letter was being. A letter was being written. A letter was being written by him. So, my dear students, please just have a look. In passive voice, at the very starting, here comes object, that is a letter, right? Then was is according to the object, and as it is continuous, past continuous, then we have got to use being, right? Then being of third form, by him. A letter was being written by him. एक्टिव की अगर हिंदी की बात करें, what does this mean in हिंदी? ही एक लेटर लिख रहा था, एंड इन पैसिव वॉइस एक लेटर लिखा जा रहा था ही के द्वारा, राइट? नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. I was helping. I was helping my friends. I was helping my friends. So this time our object is plural. My friends. Passive voice. My friends. My friends were being. My friends were being helped. My friends were being helped by me. So, my dear students, this time our object is plural. That is my friends. And according to my friends, were is there. Alright? So, मेरे दोस्तों की मदद की जा रही थी मेरे द्वारा. I hope you understand it. Let us move ahead. This time I'll be having a negative sentence for making passive voice. My teacher was not asking My teacher was not asking me questions. My teacher was not asking me questions. Now let's make passive of this. I was not. I was not being asked. I was not being asked. I was not being asked questions. I was not being asked questions by my teacher. So, my dear students, you can see at the board. This time I have taken negative sentence for making passive. So, I was not being asked questions. मुझसे questions नहीं पूछे जा रहे थे मेरे टीचर के द्वारा. So, this was the example of negative sense. Let us move ahead. Now this time I'll take first type interrogative. Were you buying, B-U-Y-I-N-G, were you buying a new notebook? Passive voice. So this time it is first type interrogative, as it starts with the helping verb, that is verb. So it becomes first type interrogative, right? So a new notebook, object, and that is singular. अब इस सेंटेंस में हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट है दैट इज अ न्यू नोटबुक एंड दैट इज सिंगुलर, वो सिंगुलर है. सो पैसिव आल्सो हैज गॉट टू बी मेड इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंस. देन वाज अ न्यू, वाज अ न्यू नोटबुक, वाज अ न्यू नोटबुक बीइंग, वाज अ न्यू नोटबुक बीइंग bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Was a new notebook being bought by you? So my dear students, please have a look on this example. This time I have taken first type interrogative, right? एक्टिव सेंटेंस, वर यू बाइंग अ न्यू नोटबुक, क्या तुम एक नई नोटबुक खरीद रहे थे. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ पैसिव. वॉज अ न्यू नोटबुक बीइंग बॉट बाय यू, क्या एक नई नोटबुक को खरीदा जा रहा था तुम्हारे द्वारा. ऑलराइट, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. लेट अस मूव अहेड. This time I will take second type interrogative. Why were they why were they calling you? Why were they calling you? Second type question word, right? This is helping verb. So this time I have taken second type interrogative sentence, my dear students. I hope you must have understood. Now we'll have to make passive of this. So as it is second type interrogative, then passive also has got to be made in second type interrogative. So at first we will have to use why. Why were you being cold? Why were you being why were you being called by them? All right. Question mark. So here I have taken second type interrogative. Why were they calling you? वे तुम्हें क्यों बुला रहे थे? ऐसे वॉइस. Why were you being called by them? तुम्हें क्यों बुलाया जा रहा था उनके द्वारा? Right? So my dear students, this was something making passive voice of past continuous. I hope you must have understood. As far as the examples are concerned, I'll be sending you PDF and there will be sentences to make passive voice. So thank you very much for being here, for understanding passive voice of past continuous. Thank you so much.